Hey YouTube, Carl's Cards. Got 2 hanger boxes of Topps Chrome basketball to rip. Hope everyone had a good Christmas. So yeah, excited to get into these. Check out the first box. So you get 15 cards in these. And you get the Pulsar refractors. Hoping for some Cooper Flag. We got Missy, Asa Newell for the Knicks, Josh Hart, Ron Holland, Steph Curry base, O'Shea Brissett, Keldon Johnson, Michael Porter Jr. We got a backwards Kings, Sabonis, Pulsar. We got a Miles Turner, Pulsar, Paolo Banchero, Serenity, Noah Asenge, Refractor. We got a Yang Hansen rookie, Gary Trent, Tim Hardaway. So hopefully box 2 is better. Kungwu, there we go. We got a Wemby base, Malik Beasley, Rashawn Holmes. Oh, I see Mavericks. Najee Marshall, come on. Oh, that's a base. John Morant, base. Come on, Malawak, rookie. Joe Ingles. We got a Kevin Huerter, Pulsar. We got a Chris Paul, refractor. Cool LeBron, Serenity. Con Knipple, Instinct, rookie. Jaren Jackson, Harrison Barnes, and Desmond Bain. So nothing too crazy, some refractors, a couple inserts. It is a pretty big checklist, so it's probably hard to hit the big names, but fun rip. Thanks for watching, and peace.